NTR, No Tools Required, Toolless Conveyor Belt Removal by Multi-Conveyor. NTR stands for No Tools Required. NTR is commonly used when referencing a toolless conveyor belt removal application. The NTR removal takes mere seconds, allows for easy maintenance and simplistic changeovers while alleviating unnecessary toolboxes and tools for increased operator safety. The toolless pin approach allows the operator to remove the belt in mere seconds for routine maintenance and cleaning. Simply pull the two pins, lift up the end pulley, lay the pulley on the frame or remove it completely, slide off the belt, clean, maintenance, or make changes as necessary in mere seconds. Then you can slide the belt back on, line up the V-guide on the pulley, double check that the belt is lined up with the V-guide, reinstall the pins, and voila, you're done. Our slim fit conveyor is the perfect solution for a low profile, small product transfer system with NTR design. However, we can incorporate this technology into many conveyor designs. Just give us a shot. Call us today. Let's get this conversation started. 1-800-236-7960. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best conveyed better.